You as an architect or with an architecture background, you have experienced the development of the software capabilities over the last years. And the progress has been tremendous. And I expect a lot to happen in the next years. So generally, I think we will receive much more refined planning proposals from AI-powered tools that already match regulations, that are optimized for certain focus areas. Because as I said, regulations, local specific data is fed into these planning tools already. And Sergio mentioned the importance of infrastructure. The challenge, especially here in Germany and Europe, I'm not quite sure how it is set up in other countries, but here we have different building laws in every tiny area. So it is very, very specific. And if you are able to just use that knowledge because it is already fed and integrated into the AI tool, it will become much easier to actually set up urban air mobility infrastructure. So planning professionals, I expect, can broaden their view and focus on completely different qualitative aspects of a project.
If I can just add just one more thing here, when we talk about airspace, and it was mentioned before, I think that's quite a universe of its own. And I think it's hard to understand for somebody who's not really working in that field. I see still some time to go before we have really airspace planning, or maybe there are first proposals and that have to be validated and verified by humans, and then simulation and things like that. I think this is something that AI can definitely support. But I think specifically in the area of airspace routes and the design, I think this is a scarce source that only can be used once, and there are certain regulations in place that we cannot just abolish because of new technologies. I think that is still a challenge, but I'm happy to see how the technology will help us here to develop also advanced air mobility.